Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I will guide you through how to activate professional mode on Facebook. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid any mistakes, and of course don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Open the Facebook app, navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the top. Next, tap on the three dots icon to access your profile settings. Scroll down to find Turn on Professional Mode and tap on it. Read through the information about professional mode, which will always you to monetize your content and gain more followers. Follow the prompts to complete 3 steps. Add a bio, profile, picture, cover, photo, and select your profile category. Once done, tap on Save. You can also add additional details about yourself, such as work, education, and current city. To create new content, tap on Create New Content. You can now post content and engage with your followers using the tools available in professional mode. Explore the audience insights and analytics by tapping on See Dashboard. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist in the description. If you found this video helpful, remember to hit the like button. See you in the next one.